You probably clicked on this video because you're getting pretty sick of that 9 to 5 grind, right? Or that rat race. Or maybe you're just looking for some extra income to help make it a little easier in that 9 to 5 grind, whatever it may be. But today I'm actually going to talk about 3 reasons why I feel you should get into affiliate marketing. I think it's absolutely the best type of, either whether it's side hustle or something that you turn into a full-time gig, either way, I think it's the best. And why do I say that? Because honestly, that's what set me up for some major success. A little bit of my backstory. I'm a health professional, pharmacist, actually caught in the grind, but I turned to affiliate marketing probably back in 2014 and turned it into basically a 7-figure, and at a short time there prior to COVID, a 8-figure business. So I was crushing it. Well, we were crushing it, the team around me, whatnot. And that was all through affiliate marketing. And that's why today's video, I'm actually going to talk about 3 reasons why I think it's perfect for any of you that are basically trying to get out of that 9 to 5 grind. You're looking for something else, or you're just looking for a way to supplement your income. And you're probably, maybe like me, maybe you're an older individual. I got started, like I said, back in 2014. Pharmacist, man, I was running that retail grind. It sucked. I'd been doing that for close to 20 years or so. And of course, didn't have much financial education. So put myself into a bind. You can see it in my story in Middle Class Mindset Escape Plan, where I do talk about, not having financial education, going through bankruptcy, and then trying to figure out what else can I do? Well, I had a good income, but I didn't really enjoy what I was doing. So I was trying to find something, at least just to make it more comfortable, to where going to work every day seemed worth it, right? And then, of course, learning a lot more about financial education. But before I get into those top 3 reasons, this channel, if you've seen any of the other videos, are actually going to kind of morph a little bit more into the niche that I love around affiliate marketing, which is health and wellness. So first and foremost, and it's going to be more health-related side hustles. Of course, I do have businesses that are involved in that we have wonderful ambassadorships. New Lifespan's one of them, where it's a supplement company that we do a lot of brain health supplements, and in getting into some other services that are really, really cool. Again, let's talk about number 1, which is, and you're going to see me lose my train of thought, because honestly, I'm free willing this thing. No more scripting other than just notes. And like I said, I'm going to also share this journey along the way of building this latest company around Rewards Health, where I'm basically a partner in that and helping my wonderful partner there build this out with an ambassadorship, i.e. affiliate marketing, right? It's really the same thing, but it allows you to do some things, whether it's online, physical distribution, again, as an affiliate partner with us. Really cool. So I'll talk through that a lot coming in this next series of videos, and really doing a lot of things around financial education, getting you to understand money better, so that when you start making more money, and you kind of erase some of those old blueprints, it'll help you along the way. Because a lot of this stuff is mindset and around how you approach things, really. It's not just get out there and make a lot of money, because you'll probably end up spending it all in just going back to more or less a broke status or in debt like you've always been, possibly. And that's probably why you might be watching this video, trying to figure out, again, some ways to get ahead. Well, there's a lot of financial education stuff that you also need to be learning and be on that journey with me as well. But let's get into number 1, which is the perfect thing for 2025's digital economy, which is affiliate marketing, right? So my handy dandy marker and my big old whiteboard's a little big. Hopefully you can see this baby, but we're going to write down digital economy, right? Like my trick and scratch. I know you love it. Okay. And we'll get to number 2 in a second. So it's basically 2025 digital economy, and going forward is awesome for affiliate marketing. Why? I mean, you've got consumer behavior shifts. People honestly are all researching online, right, before they buy. And they trust influencers and content creators, like what I'm trying to do with this YouTube channel. Another venture, again, we'll talk about and help my affiliate partners as we do some different things. But really, it's online, and a lot of people trust, these creators and recommendations. And of course, these little tricks that you'll see in some of my other videos of how to build trust, use your email list, all kinds of stuff. And of course, just the rising e-commerce trends, right? All since of the post-pandemic era, so to speak. So really, it's just the place to be. Number two is going to be basically around what I call advanced tools and technology. What does that mean? Like advanced, I don't even have to write advanced tools. That means freaking AI, right? AI. I mean, AI has been a game changer, but everybody's using it. So how do you get ahead? How do you use those tools better? Well, those are things, again, that I talk about on the channel here, but I also encourage people to learn. And these are things, again, that we're introducing into really our Rewards Health platform as well. And of course, I will leave a link down below to the Rewards Health if that's something that interests you, by the way, in affiliate marketing. Because again, I offer these platforms already, ways to work alongside me, make money, where we teach you the whole process, especially if you're into health and wellness. Man, if you are into health and wellness or willing to be in health and wellness and you love longevity, helping people live more quality, longer lives, then man, hit me up in the back, down in the description, and we'll make sure and get you kind of in the system so we can have some conversations and see if it's a good fit for you. But anyway, around back, the advanced technology, all that good stuff. Of course, all the sophisticated automation and tools, right? There's so many things and other affiliate programs actually out there that are so easy to work with and learn, okay? Really offering all kinds of different commission levels too. So again, you can watch the other videos that I do and we talk about some different processes, whether maybe it's doing with the coloring books or many things where you can leverage affiliate platforms. And again, you're going to have to bear with me. I'm like a squirrel, a dog and a squirrel, watching where that thing goes sometimes. It's like I get all the pace, get off on tangents too. As you get to know me better, I'm definitely one of those type A, go 100 miles an hour kind of thing, but it's also served me well. That's why I don't tell anybody with ADHD that is a curse. It's actually a gift. You just got to figure out how to use it and focus in and get laser focused on certain projects and whatnot. But yeah, we're going to be all over the place, and that is definitely me. And then, of course, also, on that second point, there's different programs that you're going to, in the affiliate world, that, again, you'll want to look at that may have higher average order values. And that kind of use an example, New Lifespan. That's a supplement company, and we range from about what I think $50 up to, well, it used to be up to like $100 for a tub of Mylan 6, but we've lowered those prices just to be a little bit more competitive. Also try to get it out in the market more to our seniors and people that really can leverage or use the nootropics that we have and the things that are for neuroinflammation, all that kind of stuff. So we're trying to make it a little bit more price conscious, still keeping our margins and be able to share with future affiliates, hopefully like you. But the problem is, though, is the values, the cart values are lower. So yeah, you have to sell more. So there's pros and cons to both. Easier to sell because it's a lower price point. But then that's the beauty of my other program with Rewards Health, as we're talking about packages with stem cells, which don't know much about that. That's absolutely an incredible futuristic product. I shouldn't say futuristic, but it's been around for a while. Won't get into the nuts and bolts and go down the rabbit hole of why the FDA hasn't approved it in the United States. But hey, it's great because it provides an opportunity for it. But it's higher ticket values or higher price points, ranging anywhere from like $4,800 to $22,000. So, and then there's a 10% commission on that. So you do the numbers, right, and the math. It brings in some really good sales. But yes, you may not have the volume until you get better at your sales skills and leveraging the online AI, which of course we provide you a lot of that in the portal. So anyway, let's get on to actually, I think that was, did I say region 2? That was advanced. And actually I got so carried away with myself that I was thinking that I was on point 2. I don't know why. And I said advanced AI, but that wasn't right. That's just actually part of the digital economy, duh. But really the reason number 2 is flexibility and scalability. Okay, flexible. With affiliate marketing, it's extremely flexible, right? Yeah, you can work from wherever. I mean, that is the beauty of having a laptop. I live it every day. Matter of fact, yesterday I was out, at the mall shopping for a couple hours, and of course I can plop over on a coffee table. Of course, my wife was shopping. I'd jump into a Starbucks and jump on my laptop anytime I need and knock out some work, and I can do that wherever, and I do that wherever when I travel, all that kind of stuff. So really, the second best reason, excuse my screw up there, is flexibility with affiliate marketing. or direct sales with companies, that kind of stuff, where you're acting as an ambassador. Extremely flexible. It makes it really nice. Again, get your own schedule. And it's awesome for side hustles if it's only this extra income. But of course, again, once you turn a business in, or if you get with the right company, Rewards Health, right? Maybe New Lifespan, you could turn it into a full income. It's really on you, and it's really about the mindset. And then again, unlimited income potential too. It is absolutely scalable, and there is no caps like your typical 9-to-5 job, unless you're a salesperson. If you're working, you're getting paid, basically you're trading time for money is what I'm getting at. You're not getting passive income, which is what you can get with the flexibility with affiliate marketing. So really cool. Really, there's some other ways too, where when you start developing some partnerships with companies, maybe you're not even working for, or I should say never for, because you're never working for our companies, you're working with us. But you may open up some opportunities where maybe there's a certain niche that you like, and you get the ability to kind of work as a wholesaler. In other words, you get that product or service, and now you can build your own affiliate network, which is really cool. That is exactly what I have done, and built thousands of affiliate partners basically around the country for New Lifespan and my other business that's related to New Lifespan, essentially. Really cool. So I got people selling, making commissions off of whether online, in person too. There's a couple different avenues, so don't ever close your mind to just digital only. Yeah, that's where we're talking about doing the laptop, but there's many cases where you can get your product spread by doing personal type sales, but then they're still doing a residual type play. So you're not having to go in and actually sell each time. It's once you get your product delivered in person, if that's how you choose to do it, it's going to keep giving you mailbox money. So really cool. So I think that kind of covers really the flexibility of affiliate marketing. But I think really the third reason that I really think that it's a great idea for you is basically what I call a low entry barrier, or low barrier to entry, I should say. And that is number 3, low barrier to entry. I don't even know why I'm writing it on this board, because you can't read that chicken scratch, but it's more just to maybe divert your attention, so that kind of thing. But it's, low barrier of entry, right? You don't have to go build a, business through doing, say, brick and mortar and spend usually, hundreds of thousands of dollars, honestly, to get something going. You can come into a model like ours, or many places out there, becoming an affiliate marketer, through share a sell platforms. There's many of them. Amazon, low commissions, but hey, it can be done for extra income. I usually, like I said, tend to steer people towards platforms more like mine, that where a company, you can work individually with a company as an ambassador or an affiliate, and you're going to make more money, and you're going to typically get some kind of a residual contract where you're getting lifetime customers, which again, both of my platforms, and I will leave those links below to those. So if you're interested, you can reach out to me as well. Love having conversations, love seeing people grow. And that's what value I want to bring to you as a viewer, is if you're thinking about something in the affiliate marketing realm and you like health and wellness, which again, most of these videos moving on forward here are going to be geared towards health and wellness, the stuff that I'm doing, so you can see the progress actually as we're growing with Rewards Health, because it is actually a new platform that my partner and I just created over the last 3 months with all the tech stack and everything that we've got going. Now, of course, building the distributorship, and it is a limited kind of seat distributorship too, so we don't want to have it cannibalize one another. I don't want you having a friend next door that's in our program and you guys are selling to the same neighbors, for example. We can't stand that. We want to set everybody up for success, but I don't want to get off that and pitching that thing too much, although I'm just excited about it. But a lot of these videos are going to go more through this process of how this is moving along with, again, things for you to use as business knowledge to help you build whatever business. Maybe it's around the online world. It's going to be there to give you some golden nuggets about what I experienced and mistakes. And boy, I've made a lot of them. I've blown a lot of money. This has also been a challenge building this latest business. So I want to share that. So hopefully it can help you eliminate some of those same mistakes. And, like I said, maybe it's something where we end up collaborating together. That's wonderful. So hopefully that gave you some value. So really, again, affiliate marketing is, man, I think it's wonderful. It's what I made my millions, honestly, from, and can you continue to do so. And again, I was literally working for somebody, or working with somebody as well as what I call a wholesaler to make all that money. So again, I didn't have the whole system. Now I've got my own systems now, but even with Rewards Health, honestly, like I said, I don't own that proprietary. It's my partners, but I had the distributorship. So there's so many cool ways to collaborate in affiliate marketing. You just have to get started. And I'd say that's probably my number one tip is, getting started, right? Find something that you're interested in, figure out your niche. Again, if you're health and wellness, you're going to love this channel and what we're doing. And we'll talk, again, around different things from my background as a pharmacist or doctor of pharmacy, share some of those things and how it may relate and help others. So then you can get some affiliate revenue coming off basically helping people. And to go back again, just a little bit on the Rewards Health. What that is, just to be clear, it's basically a stem cell infusion product. It's a medical tourism, so to speak. So, and we just got some of the best, most valuable offered prices, basically, that are more obtainable for a lot of people out there in the United States. Now, of course, it does involve traveling to Monterrey, Mexico, but again, very, very good prices for the highest quality Wharton's jelly stem cells, like 97% viable. And again, they're tested and they're done by a physician group that we're partnered with. It's exclusive partnership that's absolutely incredible. So, and it's also Cofepris, and if you don't know what that is, or if you do know what that is, let me know down in the comments. I'm curious if you know what Cofepris is. Basically, that's the Mexican comparative to another agency that we have in the United States, but it's all monitored by Cofepris, basically. So we know that it's legit, all that good stuff. But again, hopefully I give you a little bit of value and my reasoning behind affiliate marketing being exceptional. And of course, I've got other videos here and over here that you can check out that'll go more in specifics, maybe about different platforms around affiliate marketing. And I look forward to seeing you on the other side.